President Isaias conducted the third round of interviews. Farmers in Hamel Malu subzone step up efforts in rain-fed farming. Nigeria and Boko Haram and vigilantes in deadly clashes. Thousands protest, NSA spying in Germany. President Isaias Afwerki underscored that Eritrea's foreign policy is anchored on complementarity and stable neighborhood. The president made the salient remarks in the course of the third round interview he conducted yesterday evening with national media outlets, during which he highlighted the conspiracies of human trafficking targeting nationals besides regional and international issues. Regarding the prevailing instability and crisis in the region, as well as the causes thereof, he pointed out that the Eritrean government continues to exert endeavors on the basis of policies aimed at fostering durable and stable region of cooperation. Despite this fact, however, such a stance is not palatable to the forces of hegemony characterized with deception, lies, plunder and pretension, President Isaias underlined. Moreover, he gave detailed briefing as regards the Eritrean government's positive engagement in connection with the current developments in Egypt, the Republic of Sudan, South Sudan and Somalia, as well as the Nile waters issue. The president went on to elucidate that the issue of human trafficking, which is being facilitated by various spy agencies, especially US intelligence establishments, focusing on the youth, constituted the major war front over the past 15 years in the case of Eritrea. In this connection, he noted that the government has been exerting consistent efforts with a view to tackling the concocted pull effect of migration on the basis of engagement with the main countries of destination. President Isaias further stressed that the Eritrean people and their leadership continue to mount concerted action with a view to bringing such crimes to proper investigation and consequent jurisdiction on the part of pertinent institutions, coupled with putting into effect the adequate compensation of victimized youth nationals. On current developments pertaining to Egypt, the Republic of Sudan, South Sudan and Somalia, as well as the Nile waters, he gave detailed briefing on the Eritrean government's positive engagement. Concerning the issue of building nation and culture, President Isaias emphasized the vital importance of giving priority to citizens' aspirations and the need for reinforcing endeavors to this end. He also commended the determination and commitment of citizens inside the country and abroad to the task of building the nation and safeguarding its dignity, in addition to calling for heightened popular awareness and organizational competence. Farmers in Hamel Malu subzone say that they will step up efforts in rain-fed farming in pursuit of a bountiful harvest. They further indicated that they finalized the process of land preparation before the onset of the rainy season and subsequently tilled their farmlands timely. The farmers said that they are anticipating a good harvest. Administrator of the subzone, Mr. Jacob Idris, disclosed that farm plots which were damaged by heavy rainfall could again be cultivated in collaboration with the regional branch of the Public Technic Center. The Water Development Unit in the administration of the town of Hagaz has called on the residents to enhance prudent utilization of water. Mr. Haile Gebremedhin from the office indicated that stepped-up efforts were exerted to meet the growing water demand in the locality. Likewise, Mr. Gebrehiyot Gebreግዚabier explained that such endeavors have made significant impact in improving the livelihood of the residents and furthering the town's development, and noted the need for sustaining the venture. Mr. Abdusalam Asanay, on his part, disclosed that water supply in the town involves the required technical support and called for sustained collaboration by government institutions and the community. Future undertakings will focus on the renovation and installation of new pipelines, reports indicated. The Ministry of Education has conducted a conference in the Asmara Municipality Hall over the past 2 days, focusing on the ongoing endeavors in promoting literacy. Speaking at the meeting, the Minister of Education, Mr. Samara Rasom, said that education is the foundation of all-round development and that the government has been persistently working on priority basis to this end. Mr. Samara further indicated that stepped-up efforts were made in reinforcing basic education and its equitability. He also pointed out that adult education and eradication of illiteracy programs constitute the basis the Ministry has been working on in this regard, and that satisfactory accomplishment has been registered thereof. The conference witnessed extensive discussions on a number of related issues. The vitality of popular participation in all domains of education, including in furthering the attained literacy level, was stressed in the course of the conference. The Ministry of Labour and Human Welfare's branch in Ginda Subzone has rehabilitated needy nationals, including 11 orphans and families of martyrs in Damas and Zarat areas in livestock. Head of the branch office, Mr. Jabir Idris, explained that it has been engaged in identifying such destitute nationals to provide them with the necessary tools to support themselves. He further disclosed that the nationals have become beneficiaries of a support package worth 20,000 NOF each. One of the beneficiaries, Ms. Tiberhol Demariam, wife of a fallen hero, indicated that the government has been extending them consistent support with a view to improving their livelihoods and expressed satisfaction with the current provision. You are watching the domestic news and the international news will follow. Reports are saying that at least 18 people have died in clashes between suspected Boko Haram fighters and a vigilante group in Borno State in northeastern Nigeria. The attack comes just days after the army launched huge raids on Boko Haram camps, killing about 50 militants. A state official said 5 militants and 13 vigilante members were killed in Beni Sheikh, which lies 70 kilometers west of the state capital, Maiduguri, where Boko Haram was formed in 2009. A week ago, Boko Haram, wearing army uniforms, killed at least 24 vigilantes near the town of Monguno in Borno State. Thousands of people have taken to the streets in Berlin in protests against internet surveillance activities by the US National Security Agency and other intelligence agencies and the German government's perceived lax reaction to them. Organizers, among them the opposition Greens, the left and the Pirates parties, said 20,000 people turned out on last Saturday's demonstration. Last Thursday, newly leaked documents alleged that US and British intelligence agencies have cracked the encryption that secures a wide range of online communications, including emails, banking transactions, and phone communications. State media are saying an explosion outside a school in southern China has killed at least 2 people and injured several others. Police said at least 10 of the 17 people reported injured at the primary school in Guilin in Guangxi province were school children. As a result, many schools and kindergartens have significantly tightened security measures. And that was all in tonight's news. Thank you for watching. More of our programming follows.